What if I told you the most important subject in your life was never taught in school? Not math, not science, not history, money. Every day, millions of people work for money without ever understanding how money actually works. And that might be the most expensive lesson you'll ever learn. Today, we're uncovering the shocking truths about money they never taught you in school. School teaches you how to pass tests, but it rarely teaches you how taxes work, how credit works, how investing works, or how inflation quietly steals your money every year. You can graduate with honors and still have no idea how to build wealth. That's because school teaches people how to earn income, not how to achieve financial freedom. Here's the first shocking truth. Saving money alone won't make you rich. For years, people were told, work hard, save money, put it in the bank. But inflation changes everything. If inflation is higher than your savings interest rate, your money is losing value every single year. Your account balance may grow, but your purchasing power shrinks. Most people trade time for money. 1 hour worked, 1 hour paid, but wealthy people focus on assets. Assets make money while you sleep. Businesses, investments, real estate, digital products. The goal isn't to work harder forever. The goal is to own things that work for you. A person earning $50,000 can become wealthier than someone earning $200,000. Why? Because wealth isn't about income, it's about behavior. Many people earn more but spend everything. Others invest consistently and grow wealth over time. Income creates opportunity, habits create wealth. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in finance: compound interest. Imagine investing just $100 every month. Over time, your money earns returns, then those returns earn returns, and those returns earn even more returns. Eventually, small investments become surprisingly large. The secret isn't huge amounts of money. The secret is time. Here's another lesson they never taught. Not all debt is bad. Bad debt buys things that lose value. Good debt can help acquire assets that generate income. The key isn't avoiding debt completely. The key is understanding how debt works. Knowledge changes everything. One of the biggest wealth killers is lifestyle inflation. People earn more money, then immediately spend more money. Bigger houses, new cars, expensive subscriptions, more status symbols. Income rises, but freedom never does. Many people look rich, very few are wealthy. Here's what truly creates wealth: solving problems. The people who create the most value often earn the greatest rewards. The bigger the problem, the greater the opportunity. Money follows value, not luck, not status, value. So remember this. School taught you how to pass exams, but it didn't teach you how money really works. Now you know, and once you understand the rules of money, you start playing a completely different game. Subscribe to They Never Told You for more hidden truths.